Hello, this is Carlos of the K. As some of you may have noticed, there was a recent update to Gnomoria. This is version 0.9.13.1. When it was 9.13, they made a change to how golems spawn. They usually spawn from dark areas, but now they do not rely on darkness. Now they can spawn from absolutely anywhere where you have goods that have not been stocked, such as dirt clumps or wood that you haven't stocked yet. So many people have been having trouble with a lot of dirt golems spawning off of dirt clumps, and it gets really crazy. They get spawns like every 15 minutes, and their gnomes are very busy getting rid of the golems. They lose most of their gnomes. They don't get to do the other jobs they're meant to. When the goblins invade, they're already weakened by the golems. So it's quite messy. The other problem people had is that the game crashed each time they killed a golem, which was fixed with a minor fix, 0.1. That's the bug fix. But still, the game difficulty increased a lot. And if you're just getting started with this game, or you have some experience with it, you might find this very frustrating. So, what options do you have? You may start a new game, and let's do that. When you go to the advanced setup, the manly kingdom. That's crazy. Okay, so you can just uncheck it here and you'll generate a world with golems and you won't have any trouble with them at all. Well, that removes golem from the game, but it's your only option if you don't want to have to deal with them. But that only works for a new world. What if you already have a world you're working on and you don't want to deal with that, but you have no way of changing it here? So today I'll show you how to disable golems on an existing world. Let's exit the game. First, you must make sure you save your save files elsewhere. You don't want to lose them. Right now I have 2 of them. This is located in, well, if you're using Windows, my Windows is Windows 8.1. It's saved under your user folder under Documents. Inside Documents, you search for My Games, search for Gnomoria, then Worlds, and there are your save files in Worlds. Let's copy those. Let's make a copy outside. There we go. Just in case we damage the save file. Now we go to the forums, the official Gnomoria forums. It's forums.gnomoria.com. Here you will look for add-ons, textures. There are plenty of tools here that can enhance the game in many ways. I just noticed they have some good textures over here. It changed the appearance of the game. It's quite neat. But we're gonna focus on the game editor, which is this one. This game editor can do a lot of things, but we're just gonna use it to disable golems on an existing world. The download link is here. Download the executable. Do not download the source code unless you want to mess around with the programming of it. But we're gonna use the executable. You download it. I already downloaded a copy. And very important, you must You don't have to save it right away where it should be. You may save it to your desktop if you want, but you must make sure you copy that to the Gnomoria folder. So has the game executable and one of the DLLs, which I believe is this one. Once you have it here, it will work. Elsewhere, it won't run. So the game location, if you have it installed with Steam, it will be under Program Files, Steam, Steamapps, Common, Gnomoria. If you didn't install it with the Steam client, well, I don't know where to tell you where to search for it. It all depends on where you install it. But a simple Windows search could help you. Just look for gnomoria.exe and you will find it for sure. So let's run this. We'll have the game music in the background. Right now I haven't chosen any of the files. Let's open the save game. It's this one. It's the one I play most recently. Let's open that. And as you can see, it's the South Kingdom. And here you can see all the things we can do. We can even perform limb surgery, which is if one of your gnomes loses an arm or a leg, you can fix it with this. You can change the difficulty level. You can make it peaceful, no enemies, or you can make it extremely hard. Your choice. But for now, we'll just look for the golem and disable it. That's all we will do here. Oh, I can even add animals. Interesting. Oh, not just animals. We can add about any item. But I won't do that. All I care about is disabling the golems. And we save. Looks like it worked. Let's exit. And we will launch the game. Now let's see. South Kingdom. Alright, so everything looks just as I left it last time with the last episode, with my dead gnome. Everything looks fine. Let's see if it runs. It's running with no problems. Perfect. Now we're gonna exit. Save and exit, huh? I don't wanna save that. Okay, let's just close it. Oh, doesn't matter. I'm gonna restore it anyway. The dead gnome. I wonder if this can fix it. This will not be permanent. I'll just restore the file I copied. Okay, as you can see, the golem is still disabled. Hi, extras. Limb surgery. There's a lot that can be done here. Oh, I can convert the stones as well. And the trees you can convert all of them, or a type of tree to another type of tree. Let's take a look at the limb surgery. Didn't do anything about this one. Okay, I don't know what I did there. Oh, getting extras. No, I don't want to do that. Never mind. There's a lot you can do here. I don't see anything to revive the dwarves. I believe that's a different tool. Let's exit and let's restore that. In any case, if your game messes up, just replace the save file with the ones you backed up, which we'll do here. Yep, there we go. And it's back to the way it was before I messed around with it. Let's show you here. Whoa, one. Let's go again. And as you can see, golems are back. So there are no changes. So that's it for today. That's how you disable golems. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next episode of Gnomoria.